All right, mister. You're getting painted up. I'm thinking yellow. I'll paint you yellow. Yellow. Yeah, this can be good. Let's start with some white paint. No airbrush for you. Let's just do rattle can. Let's try some Zenithal business. It's a little bit rough. You know what? Maybe that'll work. Maybe rough is what we want. A funky rough texture. Yeah, this paint's a little bit on the spotty side. That's cool, whatever. I think it'll work. Brief interruption, nothing to see. All right, let's fix some of this stuff. This is the last part. Let's just finish this puppy up. Call it a day.
Well, friends, we're just about done here today. I'd like to thank each and every one of you for stopping by, saying hello, being a part of the team. I'd especially like to thank those 86 people that have made this possible. That's right, I'm talking to you, subscribers. I'm talking to you.
Anyway, yeah, I'm just going to throw some orange down on his little plunger feet and hands, and then I'm going to call this one done. And then we'll throw him on the old sit and spin. See how it goes. See what kind of dynamic awesomeness he elicits from his dynamic awesomeness-ishness. Too much stuff in the way. kind of don't want this turned into a long video, so. But I'm not really editing a whole lot out because it's not like this thing took forever. Even though it's going to seem like it did, I kind of stopped a lot to, you know, I ate dinner, I washed some dishes, I did some other stuff. I just like talking with funny accents.
Sometimes I'll talk like this.
That's not my real voice either. So, where's my spinny? Where's my spinner? Huh. Oh wait, there it is. Yeah, boy, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Look at them tomatoes. Come on, focus. 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 Yes. Yes. He's alive! Uh-oh. Pardon? He's alive! Maybe a... Yes! See what I have wrought! Look what I have created with these hands! These hands! Anyway, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, please. That was for you. That was for you. That was for you.